Alright, y'all. Today is a special day. It's the Fishing for Freedom weekend. Last night we got to go up to Quincy, Illinois to the Civic Center and meet our veteran Chris, really nice guy from Michigan. He's never caught a catfish, so hopefully this week we can get him on a catfish. Today we're going to go do some pre-fishing, and we just got bait, and we're getting ready to pick our vet up right now at the boat room. Pick him up real quick, and then we're going to head out. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we're set up on our spot. We got all 6 rods ready to go. Again, we caught 3 different baits today. So we have shad, moon eye, and Asian carp. And hopefully we can get Chris on a big fish. His first catfish ever. So let's get the baits out there and see what we can do. And get all the lines in one.
Do you want me to get it?
He's on there. Give Chris. I was trying to ask you what style reel you normally use.
I use this.
So what we like to do is take that rod, bury it in your hip right there.
All right, right there.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
You got a little fella?
that's what I'm thinking.
Did it come off?
No.
I think you
It's a
can
3-pounder.
Oh, it's a tree?
You got a 3-pounder.
Oh, a 3-pounder?
I got my tree.
That thing big.
See, now this is the one thing I'll explain to you guys from where I'm at in Lake Huron. It would be exactly like this would be on one side, but the other side is about 20 nautical miles that way, and it's Canada. So you got to watch the channel to go into Canada. Now most of us that are smart, you can fill out online for them, and they will send you a card that you can fish in Canada. So you can just go back and forth. It's $100 a year, but you know something? When salmon's running, it's worth it.
Oh, I bet.
Oh, and the other thing I was going to say is we have trout.
Do you?
We have some of the best trout streams there is.
Yeah, so when we lived out in the mountains, we had a 380-acre lake half a mile down the road, and then just a few miles up the river we had that stream. And we catch cutthroat, rainbow, brown, what else?
See, you guys, you fish basically the same thing I do. I just don't do cat because in Michigan I didn't really see a lot of cat until this year.
I was gonna say, I knew there was catfish up there. I just thought maybe it's not up there where he's at.
No.
As in Canada, they have humongous channel cat in Canada.
Well, that's what I was saying is the guy was telling me that he had one snap his line the other day, and he goes, it wasn't a sturgeon. I know that for a fact. I'm like, well, that's a big cat if it broke your line like it was nothing. He goes, yeah. Those are nice rods and reels.
So our rods are Rippin' Lip rods. That's
They're our sponsor.
yeah, one of our sponsors. But we've used others before, but these actually really hold up. That was a good bite.
Try drum.
We do catch some really good sized drums over here.
Nice.
All right, he's got a fish for you.
Uh-oh.
Just stand right here and I'll bring break to the back and I'll catch it for you.
Sure it's not drifting away.
We'll find out.
Oh, nope, he's on there.
Might be a little channel cat.
That's what it feels like, it's a baby.
Bring your rod tip up. Oh, look at that. That's a tiny ass catfish. How did he get that bang in his mouth?
Your first catfish is a baby.
Hey. That's a big bait fish there. You have to watch out, their fins.
Yep. I'll hold it.
Let's poke you.
Ooh, right in the eye.
There you go, your first catfish.
Where do you want me to grab it?
See how I'm holding like that?
Yeah.
Got the fins out, spread with my fingers.
So it's basically
Like this.
Like that.
Yep.
Aw.
First little
He's just
catfish.
a little guy.
All right, little guy.
We gotta catch his grandpa. All right, y'all. Spot number 1 didn't pay off. We caught 1 fish. We had a bunch of bites, but we moved down here to spot 2, where we caught a couple flathead last weekend. So we'll see if we can get a flathead here. If not, we'll keep on trying. Oh, wow,
Earlier, I thought I saw one at 3.
We got quite a lot of gar in this area. Gar will come up here and start stripping your bait.
One.
That's just the boat swinging there.
It'll come right up this side.
Move that, and he can stand right over on the side over there. Oh, you're wrapped around number 2 up there, bud.
I'll get it. Oh,
you
got
got
it.
Did I get it?
Yeah, you got
Yep,
it.
you can move over on that side.
Oh, did he come off?
No. Maybe.
Channel cat. All right, a little better one. Oh, she full of eggs. See her big old belly?
Yeah.
Some grippers are right behind you if you need them. Cat Daddy grips.
He's trying. Well, she's trying. She's like, you ain't getting in my mouth.
You want me? You got her?
Oh, yeah. You made me open.
Oh, this might be a U-hook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's buried in the upper.
That didn't take long, huh? We just got here.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you.
Oh.
Oh. Woohoo!
Nice little channel, a little bit bigger. You just need to keep moving up.
We gotta keep going. You wanna
Number 4.
drop them? I don't want to lose your vice grips.
Oh, you're good.
Here, you want me to hold? I'll hold
Sure.
this. You do that. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Number 2.
Got really, really crazy, really, really quick.
And I did that right when I said 1, and I was right on it.
Yeah.
I knew which one it was.
You're like, hey, hey, hey.
Oh shit!
You have to go one?
Yeah, that's a good one. Because I had to re-grip. Yeah, you ain't lying. I'd say medium. Because it's not. We'll see in a minute.
You reeled him right in, so I'm gonna say it's probably a small cat. Not a little channel cat. It's a little too big to grip. Open your mouth. go, sir. 3 for 3.
Ooh, his poor eye. Very nice.
Oh, he's got no eye.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to drop one-eyed Willie off?
Yeah. See you later, buddy.
That's 2.
Just threw this back out there, guys. Get in the water 10 seconds. Is it a drum?
I'd say like the last one. Oh, this one's giving me a fight. Yeah, this one's a little bit bigger. Oh, no.
Did he pop off?
No.
I think we're snagged on this other line here.
Sometimes they'll swim towards us too, and it feels like they're off.
Yeah, no, he's on there. Holy fuck. No, he's coming.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a good one there.
Whew.
Getting a workout today, bud.
Yeah. Hey, you were on him. You were right what you said, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And if you're gonna do that, I got it. I got it. I got it.
That's a good, nice channel.
Yeah, that's a good channel, okay.
3.
Very nice.
We're gonna call this one Frankie. Frankie, you're just not built right. We'll see you in a couple years.
All right, y'all, it's been pretty crazy since we got here, so we haven't let everybody know where we're at. We're up here at the dam, finally. So I come up here and give it a try. They shut down all the gates, so there's not much water coming. They got all the turbines open at the power plant, though. I mean, it's rushing some water out of it, but we're just fishing some slack water over here. And got 3 channel cats so far.
Bigger.
Yeah, they keep getting bigger. We just gotta get a blue or a flathead now.
5, 6.
5 and 6?
Yeah. I don't know if they're gar though, so they're just pecking.
Something's biting it.
Man, I just want to see one fold over.
It's gonna happen.
I hope so. Big channel. Yeah, that's a good fish.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish. This one cast is coming up no matter what.
Another good channel, man.
He's a fighter.
Talking to you. Ooh, you whisker hooked him. That came right out. Barely got him in him.
Uh-oh. Here.
There you go, sir.
Very nice.
And this we'll call Dan because, yeah, long wing and nothing worth the bottom.
Well, we're on fish today, just not the species we want. Just moved over, everybody. We got a double. Whoa. What do you got, babe?
Cafe.
You needing that? You can get it.
That was yours.
Oh, he's got a good channel. Got another one.
Oh my goodness.
Here, you got that one?
Here, babe. Oh, he's got a good channel here. Look at that. Oh, be careful.
Yep. Move.
Need a bigger boat, huh?
Woo!
That's a good channel there.
Alright. I got that one.
They're up here in the slack water getting ready to spawn, it looks like.
Ooh, I sort of want to give this to him.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Well, give me 30 seconds. Here. I was gonna say.
Yep, he got it.
See if we get 3 in the boat at the same time.
I'm working on it. Oh shit. Yeah. You ain't lying. This one's interesting.
Want me to net?
Over here too.
Okay.
Take that. Whew. See if we can get 4.
Ooh, he is ate up.
Just
Ooh.
oh yeah, he's fighting. Alright, y'all. We just got crazy real quick. We just got the lines out. We got 4 right now.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna step this.
Come on down.
We got some.
Yeah.
Really look for rods. Bring them in every time. Oh, this is a male. See how dark he is?
Yeah.
So this is what happens to males when they spawn these channel casts. They start getting real dark and their heads will swell up. See all that? They got the big old knob on top of their head. So when they're spawning, they actually fight each other. Like this one's all beat up. You'll find them, they're all beat up and cut up from fighting.
He is not open.
Yeah, he's in. He just spin.
I got this one.
That's a good channel cat there.
I know, he is beat up though.
Yeah, he is. You want? I was gonna say, grab him.
Yep. I'll take him too. And I'll hook myself.
Oh.
Did you hook yourself?
Yeah.
How bad?
Not bad. Just pull it out. Just be gentle. I can see it's coming out. It's coming out.
Yeah, you just got the tip.
Okay.
Here's 1,
He's a little bloody.
2. You want to let go of those 2. That one's bleeding.
Yeah, it's him.
Woo.
Look at that, y'all. That is fun. 4, and we've been here maybe a minute and a half. Oh,
He didn't want to be around.
he's ready to go. Good job, man.
Woo. Okay.
It gets fun.
Oh, shoot.
We're up on pool 19 channel cat in the shallow water. Like 2 foot of water, it gets like that all the time.
Hold on. Let me grab a...
Tell me that ain't a rush.
That was fast and furious.
Fun.
Is 5 good or...
Is it wrapped up in it?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Yeah, it looks like it.
That's a big boy.
You're dragging in number 5 too.
Oh. Okay.
Here, you want this?
That dude was a fighter.
Yeah.
Come on, open your mouth.
Never mind.
Down here.
All right.
Great. Another big mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, females are a lighter color and their head is more rounder, not as round, but more pointy. The belly is nice and
Fat.
fat.
Woo!
You gonna sleep good tonight?
You ain't lying. Every time I sit here for a minute, you got my.
This is what we wanted though. It'd be better than just sitting here doing nothing.
You ain't lying.
We're gonna put this head back on and read it. Oh, now we got this one going.
All right, I got this.
Oh, you got it?
Yep.
We can't even get all lines back in the water. Look at this. We got every pull out. We've caught a fish on every pull. They pop off.
Yeah.
Swimming at you?
Here, try that. He popped off.
Yeah, it popped off. Might have been a gar.
Woo!
Well, we found some channel cat at least.
Yeah. Some of them are nice though. Good channel cat.
Alright, let's see if I can just bait it back up now.
Yeah, good luck.
You guys get ready. Catch your breath for round 2.
Woo! I thought you were coming at me for a minute there.
I did too.
The slippery?
Oh, very.
Yeah, he almost.
I almost ended up in Chris's lap.
The only thing I was worried about was the knife in his hand. I'm like, ah, he's got the fish guts.
He got the fish poo on it, that's why.
What do you think of catfishing so far?
Busy.
Yeah. When you get into a school of them, it is.
But I ain't complaining. It's been fun. I'm waiting for that one where I look at you and go, that's biggin'.
Yeah.
Because she went to fight for a minute, but after that, she was like, nope.
Those were some couple good channel cats. Those are good tournament channel cats.
Yeah. Man, that one was so tore up.
Yeah, that was some serious fight going on there.
Yeah, but tomorrow, how many people are going to travel camp out here?
Yeah.
Well, this is 20 where we're at, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Full 20.
Yeah, 19's up above us where Dan is going.
What are we doing here?
Why don't I think them was fun? Dear catfish, you wait till I'm done with my sandwich.
For sure, this is our bite anyway.
Thank you, perfect.
Good.
You guys are gonna have to do this one. I'm eating my sandwich first.
Here you go.
Oh, it is a gar. You actually caught it? They usually drop it. Oh, you hooked him right through the bottom. Good luck getting that out.
I need pliers because I don't want to shred my feet up again. I had one on the floor of the boat last year without shoes on and he shredded my feet up.
Yeah, you don't want that.
See if I can get this one good. I did. Ooh, this ain't a car, this is a channel jet. Or a flathead. You want him?
Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. Give me a second.
Alright, be careful.
That one's up because it was getting a bite. I don't think it's still on there though.
Come on.
Oh, little fella.
I'm just putting him back.
Little guy, little female. Oh, good bite too.
Keep seeing those damn carp jump right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good.
One?
Yeah, real one. I want to bring up that side of the boat. This might be a flathead or a blue.
Can I leave it hanging?
This one you're gonna have to take slow.
Okay.
So just game him a little bit and then just let him fight. He's gonna, so you can't constantly reel. Yeah. Got a good one.
Gonna let see if it gives me a little fight. Come on.
Do you want this extended?
Yeah. So you can gain some line on him, go ahead. I'm not sure what it is because he's at the surface.
You ain't lying.
Oh, 6 is biting behind you.
I want to help him with this one.
I'm just going slow.
Here we go. Here we go again.
We going in that gauntlet again, aren't we?
Wait, hold. Camera back.
I think it's smaller than you think.
Or hold it because I think he's fine. I'm not sure what it is because it's staying on top. It might be a wiper. Oh, it kind of looks like wiper or a drum. Oh, it's a big drum. No, it's a striper. Wiper. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a real good one. I kind of wondered what it was because he went straight to the surface when he bit. That is a very good fish there.
Oh, hell yeah.
I caught one of these a couple years ago. It was 10.5 pounds. But that is massive. That is a big boy there.
Yeah, it is.
Come on, get out there.
There.
We're gonna weigh this guy.
small one.
Okay, we're in pounds. We're zeroed out.
11.42.
11.42.
That's nice.
That's a very nice one.
Very nice.
Woohoo!
Hold on, let me take
Hey,
a
if we
picture.
caught that tomorrow for trash fish, because we can turn in a trash fish.
Really?
Yep.
All right. Turn him sideways a little bit.
There.
Very nice.
All right, let's get a measurement on it too. Did both of them fish pop off?
Yep. They must have been gar.
29.
Yeah, I'd say 29.25. You get a picture of that with your phone. That is a massive wiper.
Got it.
Nice job, man.
Whew. I thought it would be harder to bring it in, but
They're kind of like a bass, but a big ass bass.
yeah. Well, if you notice, I brought it in, I reel a little bit and give it, because normally with the walleye, when you hit it and you snag it and you reel it in a little bit, it fights.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't see no fight from that, except the one.
That's pretty quick.
I'm worried about the two.
Two?
Am I gonna get it?
Here, we'll go back up over. Bring rod tip down. Okay. Still on there?
Yeah, he's still on. The baby. Sorry, fighting in there.
You never know. Blues will swim straight to the boat. Didn't know put the brakes on. Ooh, you got a big channel, or you got a blue one too. Can we get it?
Yeah. Oh, he's fighting.
Stay on the motor, buddy. Stay on the motor. Yeah, we got a blue. We got a blue. Get in here. Get in here. All right, we got him.
All right.
Sweet.
Woo.
That is your first blue cat, buddy. See how much bigger they are?
Yeah. Sounds like a little pig.
Yep.
You too.
He's rubbing his gill plates together, making that noise. Yeah, it's our first blue of the year.
Woohoo!
Nice job.
You wanna weigh him?
Yeah.
Sure.
Get a picture of him.
Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
Hey, friend. Ha ha ha.
Oh. What do you think? 12 pounds?
I'm thinking 10.
I'm going to go high. I'm going to go 15. Oh.
12? 12 pounds? We'll call it 12.
12 pounds.
There you go. Hold him like this. Put your hand under his belly.
Hey.
All right. I got him.
Nice fish, bud.
Nice.
No,
That
was
you're all
pretty.
lined up.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. I was
I'll
gonna
give
say,
you a high five, but
I told you there was a fish sitting down there.
you weren't lying about that fish thing.
Well, y'all, we moved down river. We're sitting in this wing dam. You seen that Chris just caught our first blue this year. And we're sitting up on a wing dam. We come rolling in and seen some catfish laying on the bottom. And I didn't even have all poles out yet. And number 3 went down. He caught that blue. Threw 3 back out. Now we got another bite on it. And we got a bite on 5.
Don't be blue, we'll catch you too.
It was folding over pretty good.
See?
But you see what I mean? The difference, blue catch, and how he just folded that pole over and it stayed
Yeah,
down.
he did. He didn't. Well, she didn't mess around.
Yeah. Well, we ended up with a blue. We had another one. He grabbed it, but he grabbed the bait, not the hook. So we're gonna be done for pre-fishing today. We're gonna go get cleaned up, and then we're gonna go do our banquet dinner tonight. So stick with us. Tournament's tomorrow.